Now here is a different way to approach an infographic. Notice the causes. We've discussed this, stress being one of the issues, and the desire for work-life balance being an issue, determined now a lot by age and generational differences. These are things that I think are really important. Do you know your talents? And what I always say is you don't know what you don't know until you meet people or organizations different from you. And then you make discoveries. Experience, of course, comes with age and with the number of years in a job, but it also comes with the willingness to get out and meet others different from you. Certifications are also very important. Of course, a career is a map, and we know from life there are many detours. There is a path, but often because our interests change, the path changes significantly. And of course, promoting your visibility is important. Now, in the Midwest, we're very modest folks, as many of you know. But to say, what I say to my face-to-face students is, saying you had an internship and you learned X, Y, and Z is not boasting. It's setting yourself different from others in a positive way. The knowledge shift to me is incredible. It is so fast. I think it's not uncommon just to sit back and say, I can't keep up with all the technology. I can't, but I really try to make an effort to learn new technologies because they can be applied to education. And of course, motivation, maintaining the motivation to change careers or even change jobs can be a daunting task. And notice the works cited in APA format. Great job.